Secret bathroom clean and fragrant. This mixture will make your day-to-day easier. Let's start our tip today by adding in a container 150 milliliters of concentrated fabric softener. Next, we will use a tablespoon of baking soda, being the main item. To bring the alkaline effect you need in your toilet. The ideal is also to mix very well until completely dilute the baking soda. I'm sure the use of this mixture will make cleaning your bathroom easy. To facilitate the dilution of the ingredients and yield of the product, we will also add 200 milliliters of water. Let's go back and mix it up nicely. Your bathroom will always smell clean. To finish, we will also use a lime. I will directly squeeze the juice. If you prefer, you can even use a juicer to facilitate this process. For all the acidity contained in the lime, it will be the item that will facilitate even more in the removal of stains and dirt. And then we must mix everything very well. Once it is at this point, we will have our mixture ready for use. The ideal is also the use of a bottle being item that will make possible the use of this mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Jackie Pretorius from Canada. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now we will also use a soldering iron to make a small hole in the bottom of the bottle. We should only be very careful with the use of this tool. If you prefer, you can even use a knife or another item for use. We should only remove the lid from the toilet bowl and then position the bottle straight into the water. After I learned to use this tip, I also noticed that the indicated is the use of a tip of this in each bathroom, thus making evident the effectiveness of our tip and also the aroma that leaves the bathroom always as clean. After use and also in flushing, even any dirt I can easily remove just using the brush. Even in the weekly cleaning of my bathroom is simple by avoiding any bad smell. I'm sure any visit you have in your home and use your bathroom will be a great surprise with a great aroma. Tell me later, this tip was useful for use in your home. I'm sure you will be impressed by the ease. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.